So some people come in with an idea already or even a team, but you don't actually have to do that, as in my own case. After joining Antler, I quickly met Malin, who later became my co-founder, and she was a great compliment to me because she had skills within marketing and sales and operations, while I came from a technical background doing app development and leading app developer teams. So together we became Done, and we're a mobile marketplace within home renovation services where we utilize video calls to make the process of hiring a home contractor simpler and more efficient. So after coming to Antler, I was really impressed with the quality of all the founders there, and I think that really is a testament to how Antler is working with co-founders and that they only take in the top 3% of all applicants. So Antler has a huge network all over the world with professionals who can help you get started, doing everything from helping you with your idea, finding the right business model, or attract those crucial initial customers. In addition to that, Antler also invests a pre-seed amount in the most promising startups to help you get started, and has a big network of VCs and angels to help you to get to that next funding round. In our case in particular with Done, we got immense help with doing initial PR, which really helped us get going both with getting customers and reeling in those initial investors.